Oh shit.
There's someone in my lobby called Le Rat.
Do I say it again? I don't think Dave.
English Dave.
Yeah, it's a meme. I feel like my life's like that, little.
Really? I had to fly over a war zone. I should probably start trying to use the make it make sense, Alan.
It does make sense.
Locks crushing, eh?
It's crush. Fuck's sake.
Fuck's sake.
That one's a weird one. She's a serious businesswoman, a CEO. So obviously, she dodges everything that comes her way. Quarterly reviews, taxes, conspiracy to murder charges. And now, she's jumped bail by being, get this, dead.
Potato.
People will try anything.
Yeah,
I
or
like throwing at people. What, bricks or lemons? I'm now going to swallow a tree.
I have
something joke. That shit joke.
baby boats. Ugh.
Really off.
I saved my money, Dex. I've got 10 million. Oh, 9.6. Yeah, but I do need another Fulo GTX. 5.8.
I can do the glitch to give you mine.
I could
How
do
do
a
you
garage full of
get another GTX and make that a rally build or
I should
something?
just make a garage full of Lotuses as well. Lotuses.
Oh, do you have the
I
FR?
don't have a Drift Tune Cypher. I don't have
I
a
can get you
normal-
mine.
Hello, I said.
Impaler SD.
Dex, you should be able to jump on the side.
Yeah, the
of this, right?
Impala SS. What?
I think that's just the first two, isn't it?
Yeah, the
I
unlocked
am-
one and the LE
It's
Cruiser.
on my nightclub tonight.
1.15 million. I should change one person because that thing.
Oh, mate.
Alright. After we sell everything, we could do my nightclub. That way it's even more full.
Your teeth.
I have no idea how much money.
And can
And I haven't heard that.
yeah.
I remember when it was popular.
I like a Dex is just running ahead.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
it's
like
just
that.
kill
That's
lemonade
what that
stand.
song. Oh yeah, yeah. My kids used to play that all the time.
Yeah, second grade when that came out. I have no idea what the
Second
grade.
I'm like,
Oh,
oh, the
second grade.
helicopter, shoot the guy
see,
standing next
that's-
to me.
That's
Like you just started school, basically.
18. You've been like uni or college over here.
Yeah, well, also college is stupid expensive here, and what I'm gonna be doing, I don't even need a college education, so
L.
yeah. I don't want to be hundreds.
Do you know what's funny? Right, when I'm not streaming this, I always do it clean.
It's
And
the
every-
cursed
You got
stream.
that
I mean,
streamer
look,
lock.
I just think I shouldn't do it. Do you know what? Last time I tried to do a bounty, I ended up joining a random lobby invite, and then like, yeah, so I didn't end up doing it. Oh no.
What's B2? I'm so confused.
He just stole a painting. I didn't even know you could steal a painting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
you
can
can
steal the
steal
paintings. You get more
Me
money
too, it's
that
on
way.
you.
Well, I don't even have a bail
I
office,
witnessed him
too.
taser her and nothing happened.
The only businesses I don't have is the chop shop and the bounty.
At some
Office
point,
thing.
Dex, for a stream. We'll have to do your car though, because I ain't got one.
What missions?
The police car missions.
Oh, the dispatch were 184,000 after getting stuff from my safes.
You're gonna be honest.
Less broke, yay!
I need.
Oh yeah, I do need to get more supplies for my bunker. It's like half full. I mean, I could steal supplies, but
Fucking hell,
that
makes
takes too
them
long.
only-
Like,
Oh.
yeah. For like a fire department, then.
Give me a few minutes. Not with that normal lying around with you,
pull that
idiots.
in there?
He's got a pocket playing, pocket savage. Right.
What the fuck? Oh, it's fucked up because it's spawned in under the
Oh hey, it's
station.
worked. You still have alright, no.
Oh, that's bullshit.
Yeah, if you're gonna call it a pocket vehicle, you should do it in an open area.
What's with the police, man?
I love that meme so much.
Why do I feel like this guy's coming after me?
Test him.
Yep, he's coming after me.
Yeah.
It's two people.
Sticky bombing. This is a helicopter.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a savage.
I think you would know if it was a savage.
Be a hunter.
It's a hunter. Oh shit.
No, that's what I'm saying. It could be.
I don't think so. Oh, that is a hunter.
That's what I'm saying. And there's two of them.
He's got the machine gun and not the explosive cannon. What the hell? That's strange. I've never seen that before.
Maybe they don't know what they've done. Probably just brought it.
Yeah, maybe. It's the testers. They're not flying very well though.
No.
He is coming after him, Dex. The gunner just was shooting at him. See, look. They're clearly not very good.
Yeah, if it was Alan, I'd be dead by now.
Yeah, you would be.
I mean, I don't think it helps that I've got.
Also, he wouldn't have the machine gun on it.
No.
Well, yeah, who would? He's just decided to start dropping bombs.
That's good. Dex, are you, oh, you're on, okay. I'll just invite whoever. One of you guys isn't gonna get in, so.
Who?
To the casino heist. Whoever's got the most money, don't even do it. I'm kidding.
I need money.
I tell you, you do
Invite
need
me.
money to be fair.
Yeah. So invite me.
Hold on, I'm doing all my saves. You hit them with 2 sticky bombs, didn't you?
Yeah, a few.
Yeah, one more should blow them up. I'd just go, because I mean, there's not much you could do. So there you go.
Fucking.
How are they alive? There you
They're
go.
not. I've got both of them.
That's kind of crazy, you know?
In there.
I'm British and I never say it.
It's a street thing, isn't it?
You can hack you.
Not me.
No, but I swear.
Who has the most? I don't have the most money.
I've got the most money.
Yeah, Alan's got
No,
the
why
most
did
money.
it take off my night vision?
Okay, it really doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
Get in the car, bro.
It won't let me in, bruv.
In it, Riv. Right, it's a silent and sneaky. Bro.
Aggressive is more fun because you get to shoot everything.
That's true, but you get less time in the vault with aggressive. Yeah, but this isn't KO.
Usually I do Act 2.
Right,
I've done
Way
that last
here's
faster
this
and
week.
easier
camera.
than KO.
Okay, good. Now, stay near this door by me. Like, you don't need to tase that one, B2. I'll hack this. Just make sure you're not under the camera. Oh, for fuck's sake. I hate this one so much.
You've got this.
Do you have the key cards?
No, I didn't get them.
Why?
Lame.
Because I'm stupid.
That's like a no-brainer. No wonder you wanted to know if anyone could hack.
No. Oh my God. It doesn't make a difference for the vault.
Yeah,
No,
well, it
no,
is
but it
easier.
gets us in.
Yeah.
Get level
Relax,
2,
I
you
got
go
this.
straight through. Even I know that. Oh my god, I thought this was a professional outfit.
Bruh! Who's I can hear the taser. I can watch stream as well.
No.
What do you mean,
There's
no?
nothing to see here.
No, you can't.
That's why you're not doing the
Shut-
hack, because you're watching the stream. Worry about the hack.
I've done it! Fucking... Oh, what? Oh, there. Going wrong. Lol.
Damn, that went right through your hit. It won't let me shoot you.
Right. We're going in, boys. Oh, here we go.
Oh, there it goes.
Wait, hold on. Right, potato. I'm gonna aim for the left guy.
Alright, I get it, right?
3, 2, 1, go. Alright.
I don't think we would make very good real-life criminals.
And careful on this part. Let me go first. Two, one, go.
You said you were
Move his
getting
head.
red guy.
Wait, B2, this camera there, wait. I know, I missed it, I fucked it up, I'm sorry. One sec.
Gangbang on Alan while he's hacking. What?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, boys, go crazy. Who's on the other one? 3,
Alright,
2,
ready?
1, go. Are you fucking serious, B2? Are you fucking kidding me, man? Just fucking leave. Oh, I'm so pissed. Die. Dude. Why would you do that? To kill that guy. That's on stream as well. You just why? You don't need
Just
to kill that
listen
guy.
to what Alan says.
You don't need to kill
Watching
him.
this
Work.
bullshit and you expect me to stay quiet. No, Dex.
Dex, can you roast B2 for that crap he just pulled? Okay, fair enough. I
Yeah,
didn't say that,
he's not wrong there, is he?
So why'd you give him that order, Horizon?
I can't.
I thought you
Alan,
I can't.
you on site.
Miss
Right,
You sure you want
Richard.
some?
marshmallows. I want marshmallows now.
What the fuck? Where are we gonna respawn? I've never failed at this point. Who's biggest? What was this conversation, man? Dex, are you 18 plus? Ah! This is the worst. I'm the worst.
I blame it purely on the fact that we didn't have the key cards.
Yeah, that's what I'm blaming too.
Yeah, there's just it's rigged, isn't it? You don't have key cards. Even more waiting, yay. Hopefully. I don't want to jinx it, so I'm not gonna.
Okay, we're going in through the side door. I hope you brought your A game because you're not getting a warm-up. Drive over there, I'll be in touch.
Okay, you're just really quiet. I was worried.
I moved my microphone away so you didn't hear me eating sweets.
Stun gun yet?
Okay.
He's going to be your best friend.
But
Fair enough.
I am present.
It's on any CCTV camera or metal detector it hits. They recover after a while, so
Right, this time I don't have to hack the fucking thing.
temporary outage.
Horrendous.
It's enough for you to That's it. Head through the door to the staff lobby. Heads up. CCTV ahead. The stun gun should disable the camera for a
3,
while.
2, 1,
Go
shoot.
old school and time your run.
Nice. Thank you.
All right.
Great teamwork, gentlemen.
It'll be back online soon. Without a sound.
Shit.
Nice. Straight through. Hey, before they go to the vault, today's takings are stored near where you are. It's up to you, but might be worth a detour. It's a
Right, I'll open it.
One of you needs
You
to
want
hold the access
one stay there.
security room. The other runs through and grabs the cash. Heads up, CCTV.
You don't all need to go in.
Disable the camera for
Oh, fuck's sake.
There's just two melons standing outside waiting.
way down from here.
Fucking
Time.
hell.
I need my inhaler just listening to you.
Oh. Right, Alan, don't miss the.
And we are dark.
Shoot the guy in there.
Nope.
See that?
Sweat glass.
That's your man trap, so pay attention. You'll have to
Three,
swipe both vault
2,
keys
1,
simultaneously at
go.
separate control panels. That unlocks the system, but even then, we can't open both things.
Dex just judging us. It's easy to judge when you're not here.
I know this is a special
Need another driller.
It's about to get a lot more special on the other side of that door. Break out the laser drill. Let's do this. The lock mechanism should melt like butter. You just need to target the weak points. Don't. Good.
Most autistic. Real. Very real.
And what?
There's a penguin in a snowman.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it doesn't really get much more fucking unserious.
We need like a giraffe and a fucking ostriches and shit. God. F's open as well. Okay, oh wait, no. Yeah, sorry. I forgot the middle one had a hair.
Goes off in here, they'll flood the place with nerve agent. No? Okay, well, I'm mentioning it now. There's a set of lockboxes.
This one is a lot fucking easier to do.
But I can't promise you there'll be anything good inside.
Right, she's open. Go do. I'm gonna assume it's D. I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I think I got it wrong. E's open.
You have a gingerbread man trying to push a massive orange ball into a city. Is there actually a massive orange ball? I can't say I've noticed that.
There's multiple.
Oh.
You don't have cash to grab. No, them. But more than that. I might even be able to open a few. The only thing that would have made this better is diamonds. I do want to maintain the stealth, so.
40 seconds. 30 seconds before the failsafe alarm, so make the most of it.
I will leave. Time to leave. Oh.
Perfect. Now get out before they smell a rat. Gas incoming. 10 seconds.
Lovely. 2, 1, go. I'm being shagged, help.
Remember how to do this, right?
Me potatoes doing things to me. It's fine.
The alarm.
Another guy that's. Wait.
Shit really hits the fan. Must be tiring running around with all that loot. I've missed this.
Oh shit. Go to the. Okay. Right. To departure.
What spaghetti were you talking about? Tin spaghetti or spaghetti bolognese?
Plain spaghetti.
What, literally spaghetti pasta just cooked on its own?
Probably
Raw.
not.
Remember, they know the vault's been hit, but they don't know how
Right.
you are or where you are. They have to fire, don't bring the cops, and we're
Get that guy.
free.
Law. I think they saw us, but it's fine. I wasn't thinking about shooting him, but it worked.
A racist guy in your lobby? How do you know he's racist?
You black. Alright, fuckers. Let's go. Follow me! Fuck all time. Oh shit. There's no police helicopter there, I don't think. This might be a shootout now, boys. Clear them out, I'll get the car. Alright, get him, boys. Yeah, I've just told you we're in a heist. Oh my goodness. Yeah. There's not really much to watch, I'm just gonna be driving.
Yeah, and that's nothing special.
Exactly.
I don't even think I killed one guy, if I'm honest. But I definitely drilled.
Got, got raped! Ugh, I don't like how casually you said that.
There's you percent.
Beautiful.
Wow. I mean, we got there.
Man, just take it. I'm gonna get bronze. Wait, I didn't get. Oh. Platinum, okay. That never happens. On this heist.
Still, I'm not going to complain about the money.
Nope.
Yeah, literally, one good PvP sesh. Gonna rob a quick stash house while you find a session. No! I just got flattened by an NPC.
I watched that. It's great. Oops. But your mum said when you were born.
Oh, sweet.
The Daisy. Isn't that your CEO name, yeah?
Who's name for one of them? It's fucking everywhere.
That's never happened to me.
They
I
all
think you
dead.
just suck. Oh, 28, fuck off.
Still not found a decent session.
Yeah. You loved that, yeah, of course you did, you fucking cargo goofer.
I mean, GTA does tell you to blow the shit up.
Yeah, but doesn't mean you should.
Would I do anything that a game told me to do?
Ooh.
Yeah, potato gang. I'll invite Rattle as well.
Oh fuck, I'm getting raided, man. I gotta go help him. Hey! Lying about.
That's what I was talking about.
Bro, you're not part. Oh, it's
Dex.
Dex. It's Dex, don't you dare! Oh, BT, you fucking idiot!
Huh?
Yucky.
Sort of, why? Yeah, well, yeah.
On this car. Vroom, vroom. Oh, I'm off. Like, can I have mine around? What do you? Want here? As we have recently found out.
No, they don't want. They know they don't want to mess with potato gang.
I'll let you hit me off this bike. You're 40. Woo. But on the upside, there's one less thing you have to sell. That's true, but it's also less inconvenient.
Why, hello, how you doing? How can I help?
None of us are
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there.
No problem. I'll get him off your back.
I'm gonna ride up. Yes. Yeah, leave him alone. It's an MOC cab, you're not fucking blowing that up.
Dex, are they shooting at you?
Oh yeah. BT, you don't have much luck with the Savage, do you?
Guess who's back? Fuck's sake.
Yeah, the benefit. Stop doing what you're doing.
I do like a bit of a rubbish drop.
Yeah, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Not next to me, please. A firework launcher won't work. Good.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
He's coming directly. What to say though? I'd be in stealth mode if I were you. What the fuck am I
What are you
looking at?
trying to do to me? What are you trying to do to me? Trying to take advantage while I'm busy with the white powder.
BT's not here, but like, BT's a bitch. So. Oh, trucks. Oh god, it's post op, I think. Oh no, it's one truck. Mhm. Nope. Not at all. Wow, I managed to nail the bomb in between them. It's extra money. Is it?
If that's what you want.
Ah. That's not what I meant.
We on?
Boats. Oh! That was really helpful, thank you. Bit of... That's cheating, you looked on... Boom. Yes, Sparrow. B11. Something. Oh, he's trying to deliberately drift. He's trying to minigun me. What? What? I didn't... Sat there.
Next.
These two. I'm so pissed you got that kill there.
Patched.
Yeah, probably. You too? He knows everything. Close enough. Start. There's insurgents. There's... oh god. It's this fucking one. Oh, that's a cliff. Oh my goodness, this is like the 5th climb I've crashed today. Highly embarrassing.
What if this friendly guy isn't so friendly?
He abuses him. Hope he doesn't switch on us. I mean, what's he gonna do? There's 3 insurgents and a hunter. Yeah, whatever. The actual thing is just you're just a wank.
Just to be clear, I would never let that excuse ride with my kids. He literally drove off.
and then you can see how it feels, Mia.
Possession is 9/10 of the law, don't you know?
Shush. Don't you shush me.
That didn't help.
What's happening over there?
I thought I'd give someone a push and it just kind of, as B2, and it just spun him round.
Oh. You fell off. Because you wouldn't just let us kill you. We have to do it now.
And then we could do a dogfight.
Oh no. We could do a dog. Oh, we shouldn't even do my race. It's not even that good.
This doesn't look like the race that we chose.
Looks like a fucking demolition derby.
Literally does.
Oh, potato. Potato, that's cheating. You can't do that. Come on, Anubis. You're in a Krieger. Say a W. What's happening up front? Oh. Oh no. I went to spectator B2 and he was just falling off the track. Oh, what the fuck? I don't think B2 is very happy with loops. Anubis, you're winning a race.
Yeah, don't worry, it never lasts for long.
It's alright, it's a stunt race, it will. Stunt races are mindless. Okay, never mind. Oh, sick flip! Oh, never mind.
Where the fuck do I go?
Respawn. Go up the wall. Round. Hold the web. Yep. Oh, don't fall off though. Oh, stick flip, and then you go.
No, 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 no! You're doing that. Fucking alarms going off and all sorts. I can't say I consciously set it for anything. I mean, the bigger question is, how the fuck am I second? What happened there? B2 must have crashed. Here he comes. Oh, fuck's sake! No! Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, fuck off. No idea how I made that. No, no, what's going on? I mean, I'll take anything that isn't a DNF.